You won't believe what we are going to plant in this GreenStalk vertical planter once we harvest all of the winter remaining vegetables. We are going to harvest our red romaine lettuce and our ramus broccoli. So let's start harvesting. I'm going to pull the plants out by its roots because we are ready to plant our summer vegetables in this GreenStalk vertical planter. So let's start with the lettuce. Isn't that beautiful? Just beautiful. By the roots. Shaking the soil back into the pocket. And now for the broccoli. Now that all of our winter vegetables have been harvested from this GreenStalk vertical planter, we are going to plant a summer vegetable. You won't believe it. And the vegetable is corn. We have two varieties of corn, and one is the early sunglow sweet corn, and the second variety is the on deck sweet corn. Now we're going to plant these seeds in the lower three tiers, and the remaining tiers will be flowers, probably nasturtiums. So this lower tier is going to be the early sunglow sweet corn. Find my tag, and the next two tiers up will be the on deck sweet corn. Now let's start with the early sunglow. I'm going to plant 2 seeds per pocket, 1 inch deep. Now I'm going to move up to the next two tiers, which will be on deck sweet corn. This is what the seeds look like. 2 seeds per pocket, 1 inch deep. And I know you might be thinking, how can you grow corn in such a small area? Well, it has been successfully done by gardeners. They have planted and harvested corn in a GreenStalk vertical planter. Now I'm going to water the seeds in. Now all the seeds are watered in, and we'll see you back in 65 days for our harvest. Thank you for watching Small Garden Big Harvest. See you next time. Bye.